Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about Facebook Business Manager. This is also going to be my second video of the Facebook ads video series. I decided to do this video because Facebook Business Manager is an important aspect of any marketer's life. And even if you're running a Facebook marketing agency, it's very important that you understand everything regarding Facebook Business Manager. I know there are a lot of people who really understand Facebook Business Manager well, so this video is not going to be for them. This video is going to be for someone who is starting out in their agency, with their agency career, or who is starting out their own marketing agency, or who is starting as a freelancer, and who is starting as a Facebook Business Manager or account manager. Before we start the video, we are going to understand the key difference between Facebook Ads Manager and Facebook Business Manager. I know some people think that it's the same thing, but it's not. And there is a huge difference between Facebook Ads Manager and Facebook Business Manager. So I'm going to give you an example. So this is my Business Manager. You can see Growth Manager Studio. We have all the accounts of our clients. We have all the people who manage this page, and we have all our partners who we are working with. So if you're going to look at this one, so you see we have all these other options. We have our business info. We have everything that we need here. So this is actually a business manager, and this is where we manage all the accounts from our clients and all the people who work on this business manager, and also the pages that we have for our clients. So we manage everything through single business manager, and that's what a business manager is. It is basically a manager for all the accounts, all the pages, and all the people that are working under a single roof or under a single agency, marketing agency. So now coming back to what is ads manager. Ads manager is basically you can say this one. So ads manager is basically where you manage your ads for your clients. So that's the huge difference between ads manager and a business manager. In business manager, you manage your ad accounts, you manage your page, you manage the people that are working on that ad account. But in ads manager, you manage the ads, the actual ads, where you launch the campaign, where you make changes, where you generate the results. So ads manager is something where you actually perform the task, where you actually run the ads, while business manager is something where you manage all the other assets that you have, such as your ad account, such as your pages, your people, all the people that are working on that business manager, pixels and everything. So that's the difference between ads manager and a business manager. So that's why you are going to need a business manager, because you will have better control over your ads. You will have more insights into the metrics, into the data that you are going to use for your future campaigns. So boost ads might give you results, sometimes it does not, but it is not as advanced as business manager, as the ads that are running through business manager or ads manager. So if your client is going to ask this question, why cannot I just boost the ad? So let them know that business manager has these advanced metrics which can be used to track your performance better, and then it can be used to optimize your campaign. So that's why you will have more visibility and more control over your account, over your ads. So that's why you need a Facebook Business Manager to run the ads if you're running your ads professionally. If you are a simple or a small business who is just trying to get some leads, get some sales, you can do it through your boost page or boost ads. But if you want to run professionally, you want to do it in a huge or in a large scale, you are going to need Facebook Business Manager. So I highly recommend, if you are using if you are boosting your ads, or if you are boosting your post and trying to run ads that way, switch over to Facebook Business Manager and try to work with someone who is a little bit more capable of handling business manager and ad accounts, and see if that changes the performance. So moving on to the next thing, creating a business manager. So it is very important that you create the business manager the right way, and then you start working with that business manager. So you can just type Facebook Business, and you can just open Facebook Business Meta Suite, and this is how you can create a new business account for you. So I'm going to call this Mask Media, just to give a name. And then I'm going to use my email here. So this is how you can create a business manager for the business manager account for your page. And so what do you want to claim into this business manager? So this will ask you, give you a bunch of options if you already have pages and accounts. So you don't have to claim anything, you can just skip. You have to give yourself business admin so that you can. Okay, so this is for another person. You are already a business admin. If you have a teammate, or if you have a partner, if you have an employee who you want to give an admin access, you can also give it from there. Or I would suggest just to skip all this part and then go ahead and confirm, and this is your mask media, your business manager is ready. So this was a simple part where you just able to create your mask media. Let's say this is the name of your company, and you were able to create a business manager profile for this company. So now we will open this one is in business manager. Okay, so I will open business setting. This is where you can actually see and make changes to this business manager. So once you create your business manager, go to the business setting, and then I will explain you how and what is everything. So people here, you can see all the people that can work on your business manager. So this is, as you can see, this is me, and I am the current admin of this account. So I have full control of everything, and you can add people, you can add your media buyers, you can add your account managers, project managers, whoever you want to in here, and they should be able to look into all the things that you're going to give access to. So let's say if you want to add a media buyer and you want to manage him some accounts, so you can just give him access here. You can use their email and you can just give them access, and they should be able to start working on this business manager. And you can give them employee access and they will have only limited access, or you can give them admin access and they will have full complete access. They might even remove you, so be aware of who you are giving the admin access to. So now coming up to the partners, I will explain that later why we have this partners and pages. So you are going to need one primary page here before running the ads. So I suggest, if you have a marketing agency, go ahead and create a page for that marketing agency so that you can make that as a primary page, and you can use that page for this primary business manager. Now ad accounts. So you are going to need ad accounts to run the ads. So if you're working with a client, you can just request access to an ad account. You will just need their business ID. So first you have to add a page here. So you can say I can create a page to just to show you guys. So let's create a page here, local brand or business, and page name is going to be mask media. Choose a category, advertising and marketing. You're going to use that later. Okay, please enter a city. So I'm going to enter New Delhi here. So you can see I have already successfully created a page, and this can be my I'm going to make this as my primary page. So edit primary page is going to be mask media, save, and then I'll just go and check into this page. Let's refresh and see. Okay, so you see this is the primary business page. Now I have a business account manager, business manager, and I have a page. So this can be my primary page. So now your business manager is complete and it's ready to roll. So before starting out, you are going to need account managers, or if you're working alone, that's fine, you can manage your page. But I suggest at least have 2 business admins so that you can your other business admin can manage the page or manage this business manager for you if, let's say, your account is restricted, because this is also going to be a huge part. Facebook restricts a lot of accounts, a lot of ad accounts, a lot of personal ad accounts, a lot of pages, business managers and whatnot. So in order to be on the safe side, you have to have everything planned out in advance. Okay, so now you need an ad account to work on this account. So you can create a new ad account and mask media. So let's say I click next here, my business, create. Okay, so now I'm going to give myself full complete access to this one, and then I'll just close it, exit. So this is how I have the complete business manager here with me. I have the business manager, I have a page here, which is the primary page, and I have an ad account. So this is also going to be ad account for me. So either you can use this ad account to run the ads if you're running it for your own business, or if you're working with a client, I suggest do it through the way that I'm going to tell you in the in upcoming few minutes. Okay, so now we are going to look into different things, different aspects of all these options. Partners are, we are going to cover that in few minutes. Pages, you already have a page, we already have an ad account. Business asset group, you can create business asset groups. I will come to that one later. Instagram account, if you have an Instagram account, you can always add that Instagram account as well. If you have a WhatsApp account related to that business, you can also add that WhatsApp account. Data sources, so this is catalog, pixels, online event. This is like I would say much advanced than what you're going to need on this business manager, but it's fine. You can create pixels here if you want. If you're running a landing page or if you're running a website conversion event, you need a pixel to run these conversion ads. And then brand safety, domains, and I think it is required for you to add a domain, any domain that you are going to use to run your ads. Let's say if you are using a domain maskmedia.com, so you have to add the domain here, and you can add the domain request access from your let's say wherever you have purchased the website or the domain. So integration, you can see billing and payments. This is where you can update your billing. Security center, request. This is where you're going to get the request for all the ad account you are going to send the invitation through, or you are going to, if you're going to request, or if you're going to get any request for your account, for your assets, you are going to receive it here. Or you can also check the notifications and you should be able to get all the messages here. So now billing and payment, we don't need to look into this one as of now. So notifications, business info. So let's talk about the business info first before we move on to the other things. Mask Media business manager ID. This is a business manager ID that you are going to need when you are going to work with partners, your clients. Okay, primary page, legal name of business. So I suggest go ahead and fill out the entire information. Country, select your country, street address, town, city, everything. Go ahead and fill it out completely. And then once you have filled it out, try to get your business manager verified, because this will give you an additional layer of security when you have your verified business manager. You are working through a verified business manager. And turn on your two-factor authentication, because once you turn it on, no one can access it without getting a one-time password from you. So it's going to be very important, and it will add another layer of security. Your info, you can check your info. You can also confirm your email. If you left this email unconfirmed for a long, you will have employee access, which is going to be very hard for you to manage, because if you're the only admin and if you have employee access, you cannot add or remove anyone from that business manager, and it's going to be very hard. So I suggest confirm your email as soon as you create a new business manager for you. And once you fill all the information here correctly, I think your business manager should be ready, and you can get it verified, and you'll be ready to rock. All right, so let's talk about the partners here. So when you work with a client or when you work with any other business, you would want to add their ad account through partner access, not direct access. What do you mean by direct access? Like, I have seen some people, or we have done the same mistake in the past. Like, we go in their business manager, we take the admin access directly from their business manager, which is the wrong way to do it. What you can do, or the best way to do it, is just go ahead in the ad accounts. If you're going to work with the ad account, and just request access to an ad account, just use their ad account ID. You can see ad account ID. You can find their ad account ID just like this one. Just go to their business manager, open their business manager, just copy their ad account ID, and just input it here. Oops. Let's say their ad account ID is this. Copy that and paste it here, and manage full control, and then you just request access. So this way you can control, or you can make changes to their ad account. You can run their ads without actually having admin access through their business manager, which is much safer than taking admin access in their business manager. Because like, if you'll have multiple admin accesses from multiple clients, Facebook is going to suspect you, and eventually you'll get restricted and banned and whatnot. And if you have, let's say if you're not just going to work on a ad account, you have pixels, you have pages to work, I suggest go ahead and partner to request asset from. So add a new partner and request assets on their behalf. So just go ahead and click add here and get started. And so your request partner's contact info, insert their contact info here, their name, their email address, their business account ID. Remember what we talked about, the business account ID? That's where you can find the business account ID, and your contact info, your business role. So you are brand or business, sorry, you are media agency, and their partner's role is going to be brand or business. Just go ahead and request asset type, and you'll be given option on what type of assets you are going to need access to. So ad account, pages, pixels, whatever you're going to need the help with, just go ahead and request access to that. So these are the important on the basic things on the business manager side of things, and you definitely need to know about these things before starting your own marketing agency, because these are some important and small things that will help you save tons of time, and also will save you a lot of time while dealing with restrictions and bans, and it will definitely help you avoid those restrictions and bans in future. So now moving on to the next one is next topic is going to be best practice to keep your business manager safe from restrictions and bans, which is definitely going to be, I think I have already talked about this topic in a lot of videos, but I am also going to repeat that once more time. Do it the way that I have explained in this video. Always make sure that you are working through your business manager, you are taking access through partners access, you are taking or requesting access to their ad account, and not working with their business manager directly. This is the best way to protect your account from restrictions and bans. You are still going to get restrictions and bans, but most of the time you are going to get your account back if it's not a major one, but you're not going to get into trouble with all your ad accounts, because I have dealt with that, and I'm telling you with my experience, the best way to work with your business manager, or best way to work with any client's business manager, is to take access of their ad account through your business manager, and then work with that. Take access of their page, and then work through your own business manager. Hope this video provides you some value and helps this with your journey in your social media marketing agency, running your own, and also if you're a freelancer. So do not forget to subscribe if you like the video, and drop a like. Okay, see you in the next one.